Peter Piper stretched his arms wide, grinning at the day that promised adventure. He grabbed his trusty wicker basket, ready to pick the biggest, juiciest peppers.
Today is going to be amazing,
He declared to the morning sky. Polly the parrot, with her eyes twinkling mischievously, landed gracefully on a nearby branch.
Peter, pick a pear instead.
She squawked, her voice echoing through the garden. Peter chuckled, shaking his head.
But I love peppers, Polly.
Peter stood in awe, his eyes widening at the sight of the shiny pears. Polly perched beside him, nodding knowingly.
All right, let's pick some pears.
Peter agreed, reaching up to pluck the ripe fruits. Penny the pig, with her round belly and playful eyes, looked up at Peter's basket.
Oink, what do you have there, Peter?
She asked eagerly.
Peppers and pears.
Peter replied, beaming. Peter, Polly, and Penny began mixing the peppers and pears in a large bowl. Polly added a sprinkle of salt with a flourish, while Penny stirred with her little hooves. Laughter filled the room as they worked together. Peter grinned, watching the villagers enjoy the pie that was a product of friendship and collaboration.
This is the best pie ever,
he exclaimed, sharing a slice with Polly and Penny. The night was filled with joy and the warmth of community, proving that the sweetest rewards come from sharing and togetherness.